So today we will be talking about Sony's new gaming console that they will be coming out with, and the new and upcoming celebrity that will be promoting our new gaming console. So a little background on our company. Sony Corporation was founded in 1946 in Tokyo, Japan. We are a global leader in consumer electronics, gaming, entertainment, and financial services. We are renowned for its innovation and commitment to quality, and we have had significant impact on various industries from audio and visual technology to gaming and film production. We, the company, operates through multiple segments including electronics, game, and network services, music, pictures, and financial services, leveraging synergies across this division to enhance customer experiences. We place a strong emphasis on sustainability and corporate social responsibility, aiming to contribute positively to society while delivering exceptional products. So we are releasing our newest PlayStation, and our up and coming celebrity that will be promoting it is Tom Holland, better known as Spider-Man. So what does this mean for our company? This means consumers all over the world are trying to purchase the product at a higher rate than ever before, causing a demand spike. This is a challenge for our supply chain managers. So now we're going to talk about our sourcing and operations process. Our supply chain is a very complex network that involves global sourcing, manufacturing, and distribution. Products are distributed through a combination of direct sales, online platforms, and retail partnerships, allowing for a broad market reach. So some of the raw materials that we are going to be using are semiconductors, displays, and audio components in the PlayStation. And where we get most of our products from are production facilities that are primarily located in Asia, mostly Japan, China, and Thailand, with some assembly and distribution centers in Europe and North America. So that's where our PlayStations will be getting distributed out of. So with the potential increase in demand, this presents several risks. A sudden spike in demand may overwhelm our suppliers, leading to delays or shortages in key components. Increased demand may strain transportation networks, resulting in longer lead times and higher costs. Competitors may respond aggressively to the demand spike, impacting the market share. If we cannot scale production quickly enough, fluctuations in currency exchange rates and tariffs can affect the cost and availability of source components also. So, just with the high demand in our product, we might not be able to distribute that product fast enough, which could lead to other competitors being able to sweep in and take some of our customers. But we have an idea of what we are going to do to solve this problem. So to effectively manage the demand spike that we're going to see when the new PlayStation releases, we're going to strengthen relationships with key suppliers to ensure that they can scale production and prioritize Sony's orders during demand surges. We're going to identify and onboard additional suppliers to mitigate the risk of reliance on single sources for critical components. We're going to implement a just-in-time inventory system combined with safety stock for high-demand components to balance carrying costs with availability. And then we're going to evaluate and optimize transportation routes and methods to ensure timely delivery of components and finished products. So we're going to make sure that we can get all of our inventory in and our critical components to make the PlayStations in time so our customers can be happy and get their orders in on time. So what are we going to do? We're going to increase the price of the PlayStation, but we're not going to increase production. This option will allow our company to earn more profit on each item sold. This approach will increase profits in the short term, but maybe not in the long term, since it is possible that a new pop culture fad will arise that causes people to lose interest in our product. By maintaining current production levels, we will be able to avoid the complexities and potential pitfalls of ramping up manufacturing. Some cons to this option, though, are there are risk of alienating customers who may turn to competitors offering similar products at lower prices, especially in a fast-changing market. So we will be allowed to increase our revenue per unit sold, which can improve our short-term financial performance, and focusing on communicating the unique features and qualities of our new product to justify the price increase. Therefore, reinforcing our brand loyalty will be a main priority during this demand spike. So we will be following the ISO 9000 plan of quality control standards. We would start with developing and maintaining documented procedures that outline processes for quality management across all operations, from sourcing to manufacturing and distribution. We will provide comprehensive training for all employees on our standards of quality management principles and specific procedures relevant to their roles. To build the final product, we would have to source many components. For example, to build the newest gaming console, it would need semiconductors essential for powering and functioning the device. More or materials we will need is casting materials, plastics, metals, and other materials used for the exterior housing of our PlayStation. This would ensure durability and aesthetics. So, in conclusion, the success of this strategy will depend on continuous monitoring of market trends and operational performance, and enabling Sony to adapt proactively to changing conditions by balancing immediate financial gains with a focus on the future capacity and customer satisfaction. We can solidify its position as a leader in the consumer electronics industry while fostering long-term reliance and growth.